So, the Samsung Galaxy S24 F-E is reportedly in development and is expected to launch later this year. Although Samsung has not officially confirmed the Galaxy S24 F-E, a tipster has leaked details about a new test build of One UI, Samsung's Android-based user interface, which has appeared on the company's firmware server. This firmware is believed to be for the European variant of the Galaxy S series handset. Tipster Taran Vat shared on X that the first One UI test build for an upcoming smartphone has surfaced on Samsung's firmware server, with build numbers S721BXXU0AXE, S721BOXM0AXE3, and S721BXXU0AXE3. VATS claims that the model number for the Samsung Galaxy S24 F-E in the EU will be SMS721B. Last month, reports indicated that the Galaxy S24 F-E would have model numbers SMS721B, SMS721U, SMS721W, and SMS721N for different regions, including North America, Korea, Canada, and other countries. The Galaxy S24 F-E is anticipated to be the successor to last year's Galaxy S23 F-E. The S23 F-E is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC in the US and an Exynos 2200 chip in other regions. It features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. Additionally, it has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 25 watts of wired charging and 15 watts of wireless charging. The S24 F-E is expected to build on these features, potentially offering improvements in performance, camera quality, and battery life. There is speculation that the Galaxy S24 F-E could be launched earlier than its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 F-E, which was released in October 2023. However, the exact launch date remains unclear. Samsung is expected to unveil new Galaxy Z series smartphones and the next generation of Galaxy Watch models at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for July. The leaked firmware and model numbers suggest that Samsung is preparing for a global release of the Galaxy S24 F-E, aiming to capture a wider audience with its Fan Edition series. The Fan Edition models are known for offering high-end features at a more affordable price point, making them popular among consumers who want flagship capabilities without the flagship price tag. In addition to the hardware upgrades, the Galaxy S24 F-E will likely come with the latest version of One UI, which promises to enhance user experience with new features and improvements. One UI has been praised for its intuitive design and user-friendly interface, which complements the powerful hardware of Samsung's smartphones. In summary, while the Galaxy S24 F-E has not been officially announced by Samsung, leaked information about a new One UI test build suggests that the device is in the works. The European variant of the handset, identified by model number SMS721B, has appeared on Samsung's firmware server. The launch could potentially happen earlier than last year's model, with Samsung expected to make several major announcements at the Galaxy Unpacked event in July. The Galaxy S24 F-E is poised to build on the features of the S23 F-E, which included advanced camera capabilities and robust battery life, while offering an even better user experience with the latest software and hardware upgrades. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 F-E? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.